If you keep wiping mould off your walls and it keeps coming back, stop. You might be treating the symptom, not the real problem. And if your landlord keeps ignoring it, here are 5 things you should do first. And they could make all the difference if your complaint needs to go further. Number 1, work out whose fault it actually is. This matters more than most tenants realise. There are different causes of damp. Some are linked to condensation, others are structural. Condensation mould can be influenced by things like ventilation and heating. Things you can do to reduce condensation: open windows when cooking or showering, use extractor fans, avoid drying clothes on radiators, and try to keep your home at a consistent temperature. But if you're doing all of that and the mould keeps coming back, or you notice leaks, water stains, wet patches, or cracks, that could point to a structural problem. And that's on your landlord, not you. Number 2, document everything from day one. Take photos and videos with your phone. Date them. Do this every single time you notice the problem getting worse. Don't tidy it up first, show it as it is. This evidence is your strongest tool if your complaint escalates. Number 3, report it in writing, not by phone. I know it feels quicker to call, but a phone call leaves no trace. Send an email or a letter and keep a copy. You need a paper trail that shows exactly when you reported it and what you said. If it ever goes to the Housing Ombudsman, that paper trail is everything. Number 4, keep a health record if anyone in your home is affected. Damp mould can cause serious respiratory problems, especially for children and elderly relatives. If anyone is suffering, note it down. GP visits, symptoms, dates. Since Arab's law came into force, social landlords are now legally required to investigate and fix damp mould within strict timelines. Health impact makes your case stronger and harder to ignore. And in some cases, tenants may be able to claim compensation for damaged belongings, health impact, or the distress caused by living in those conditions. Number 5, set a deadline in your complaints letter. Don't just report it and wait. Give your landlord a clear, reasonable time frame to respond. 14 days is standard. State what you expect to happen and by when. If they miss that deadline, your next step is a formal complaint, and you'll have everything you need to make it. The difference between a complaint that gets ignored and one that gets results always comes down to one thing: evidence. That means photos, letters, timelines, health records. If you want help putting that into a professional complaint letter, the link is in the description. Have you had any issues with damp or mould in your property? Let me know in the comments.